Holy Christmas nuts. I'm only 6 feet in. I should have brought a face mask.
Are you spraying butter too?
If I have to. Yeah, I do. And here we go again. Oh, God. Shit. Yeah, I know. On the video. No, I'm not saying the address of who you are. Yes, we'll find out. I think we're right. Yeah, I think I'm in your ductwork.
If I can't maybe help with the power bill.
Yeah, because you're not having to run the dryer as frequent. Yeah, I'm at the end. Yep.
I'll clean this up. I'll put it in.
Now, is it 14 or 16 years? 'Cause I thought your wife said 16.
16 for little guy. 16.
Okay. Well, and that is definitely enough lint to cause a fire. It really is. Especially if your safety device didn't work.
We're lucky to get them off.
Mm-hmm.
I know now.
Oh yeah, and it only takes one time to see it and do it, and then realize, okay, another part of home maintenance. I should have checked your actual lint filter in the dryer to make sure that it was clear. So I'll pull that out before I retest the flow. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's a lot.